Lovely friends, welcome back to my channel. We are going to make fried rice. I have here 5 cups of rice, some cut and washed onions. I have here some vegetable, which is bell pepper with carrots. I have here shrimps, beef, washed beef, mixed vegetable, which was frozen and I defrosted it. I have some shredded carrots, green onions, washed and cut, ginger, washed and cut, some Maggi, and some Remy spices. You can use any spices of your choice. I have here some garlic, washed, and some fresh herbs, chives. I have some peppers with some mixed spices and some dry herbs and salt, and then some soy sauce. Let's get started. Go ahead and cut our beef. I like to cut my beef into big chunks because I like the way it fries when you cut it into big chunks. When you cut it into little chunks, it turns to burn easily when you are frying it. So let's go ahead and cut it into big chunks and put it in a bowl. We are going to put all our spices on it and then cover it and put it in the fridge for like 20 or 30 minutes. You can put it in a cool place for like 20 or 30 minutes. It doesn't matter. Just put it in a cool place for 20 minutes and then we'll be back. Like 20 minutes and our meat is back from the fridge, so we'll go ahead and add our Remy spices to it. Remember, you can use any spices of your choice, and then we'll add our blended veggies to it, which was the onions, ginger, and garlic, and then we will just go ahead and cook this. Ahead and add my rice. This is 5 cups of rice, but you can go ahead and add more rice to it if you have more stock. Remember, this was the stock we used for our meats. Don't throw away your stock. This is the same one you'll be using for to cook your rice. So I'll add the stock to the rice, and then I'll make sure if I have more stock, I'll add more rice to it. Our rice is done. Look at how yellow this rice looks. It's because we cooked it with the stock, and the stock is healthy with a lot of vegetables. And look at this rice. I love this rice. It looks so good, and it wasn't too hard and too soft, and this is good. Go ahead and add about 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil into our pan, and we will fry our shrimps. We won't fry our shrimps for so long. We are going to fry it for about 2 or 3 minutes just to drain the sweetness and the water out of it. So after, we'll just go ahead and add some spices to it. Add any spices of your choice. I just add some garlic, herbs, and some paprika so that my rice will taste a little bit peppery. So let's go ahead and add every spice of your choice. This is my garlic herb, and then some paprika or some dried peppers. You can add all of it to it, and then we'll go ahead and add our vegetables, which is our vegetable that we cut into like stir fries with some carrots and then the onions. We'll go ahead and fry it. Let's just go ahead and stir it for a while, for about like 2 or 3 minutes, and we'll go ahead and add our meat. You remember our meat we cut into little chunks. This is where it goes. So we'll go ahead and add our meat in here, and then we'll stir it for a little bit, and then we will add some oils. Let's say about 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil. You just add your oil, and then you stir it for a little while. And I love to soak it in here for a little longer. So what we will do is we'll pour it in a bowl, cover it with something, whatever you have. It can be plastic wrap or anything. You just cover it for about 20 or 30 minutes for everything to soak, soak the sweetness out of it. So it will be dead. Now this is the best part. So we are going to go ahead and fry our rice. This is where the fried rice begin. So let's add our shredded carrots, and then we are going to go ahead and add our frozen veggies to everything. Stir it for a little bit. This is vegetable fried rice. So go ahead and throw in all the vegetables you have in your freezer or your fridge. Go ahead and throw everything in it. So we go ahead and throw everything and then stir it for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and add our rice. I put the rice in little bowls. I go ahead and take the rice out of the cooking pan or cooking pot, and then I go ahead and put it in a bowl. So we go ahead and dump this rice in it and go ahead and fry this. Fry it real good so you get the taste you want, for about 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and then add your soy sauce. There's no fried rice that is going to taste better without soy sauce. I'm saying this. So go ahead and add the soy sauce. Add the soy sauce, whatever amount that you want. Some want it a little more tastier than others. I wanted a little because the soy sauce contains a lot of salt in it. I like Ghana soy sauce better than this one because this is a little lighter. So I add my soy sauce and stir it so I get the mixture that I want. And look at how brown it becomes. I love how brown it becomes. Look at this. I love the color. I love how it smells. You should be in my kitchen right now because this smells so good. Super delicious. Now look at this. You have to try this and let me know at the comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, guys. You have to subscribe for me. If you want more, just go ahead and subscribe, like, and share. And let me know how this fried rice will go. You can add any meat. Sometimes I even use a ponche. So go ahead and use any meat of your choice, any vegetables of your choice, and let me know how it goes. And send me some through the mail too. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. See you in another video. Thank you guys for watching.